Hello, I'm going to be reading the slides now. Can we cure cancer? First, what exactly is cancer? The World Health Organization states that cancer is a large group of diseases that can start in almost any organ or tissue of the body, and is when abnormal cells grow uncontrollably or go beyond their usual boundaries to invade adjoining parts of the body and or spread to other organs, causing damage to the body. Trends in cancer rates for women. Cancer rates among females in the U.S. shows that breast cancer is the most commonly diagnosed cancer in women. Breast cancer has been increased by 0.5% each year since the mid-2000s. Trends in cancer rates for males. Among males in the U.S., prostate cancer is the most commonly diagnosed cancer in men. Prostate cancer rates spiked during the early 1990s, reflecting a rapid surge in the detection of asymptomatic diseases. Due to more screening being pushed for males, a rapid drop in the disease rate from 2007 to 2014 occurred. But unfortunately, the prostate cancer incidence rate rose by 3% annually from 2014 through 2019.
Surgery involves removing tumors from affected tissue because removed cells will not be able to cause any further damage, and spread of cancer can be stopped at the source. Surgery is difficult because it is difficult to adequately assess the extent of the tumor. Chemotherapy can halt division of dividing cells indiscriminately, but inhibits any cell from dividing, not just cancerous ones. Radiotherapy scrambles DNA of cancer cells, and these cells are unable to repair this damage and go apoptotic. Normal cells can repair this DNA damage. Surgery is difficult because it is difficult to adequately assess the extent of the tumor. Chemotherapy damages many non-target tissues, leading to skin dryness, hair loss, and damage to other keratinous tissues. While non-cancerous cells can repair DNA damage, there's still an upper limit on the degree to which radiation can be safely applied to humans. If cancer cells do not respond to radiation, there isn't much more radiation you can actually add. A number of novel treatments for cancer are on the horizon. Gene therapy is the most promising treatment for cancer. Cancer has a strong genetic basis and additionally can be induced for study in model animals. Science through genome projects such as the Human Genome Project has amassed a treasure trove of genes regulating cell division and the extracellular matrix. Gene therapy enables modification of genes correlated with cancer incidence, a statistical derivation made possible by advances in bioinformatics and full genomic mapping, even on the individual level. Cancer is now readily manipulable in lab animals. This is a new era of translative medicine. When manipulating genes responsible for the regulation of cell division, effective disease control can be achieved in target tissues. While gene therapy is technically feasible in humans, the serendipity of genetically manipulable model animals used to inform gene therapy in humans can actually serve as a bottleneck, given that the degree of homology is seldom complete. Cancer treatments are expensive and have not yet cheapened sufficiently to exact meaningful effect on financial disease burden. Conventional cancer treatments can cost patients hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. A primary focus of new treatment technologies should be on minimizing costs passed on to the patient. Genes cannot be targeted by gene therapy with perfect accuracy. The side effects of gene therapy may actually be similar to the side effects of chemotherapy, given that non-target genes can be altered, similar to how non-cancerous cells are restricted from dividing.
New ways to treat cancer. In the world of cancer research, we're at a really exciting time with new treatments. Imagine fixing genes in cancer cells with a super precise tool called CRISPR. We can change how we fight cancer. Personalized medicine means treatments tailored to your specific genetics, making them work better. Also, a teeny tech called nanotechnology can deliver treatments right to the cancer spot, cutting down on the side effects. Here's a little thing to back it up. CRISPR tech can be a game changer in how we treat cancer by editing genes in cancer cells, leading to more effective treatments. Personalized medicine lets us customize cancer treatment based on your genetic info, making it more personal and effective. One more thing. Nanotechnology is a new hope in fighting cancer by sending meds directly to tumors, reducing side effects, and improving Treatments. Cancer vaccines research. Researchers are exploring new ways to use vaccines against cancer, both to prevent it and to treat it. These vaccines train our immune system to recognize and fight cancer cells. This can be a big step in helping bodies fight different types of cancer. Finding cancer early. Detecting cancer early and taking steps to prevent it are really important. Testing tools that catch cancer in early stages help us treat it sooner. Making healthy lifestyle changes and getting vaccines to prevent cancer can also lower our chances of getting it. Cancer treatment options. Doing the right thing. When it comes to cancer, research and treatment, it's not just about science. Ethics are a big deal too. We need to make sure people agree to be a part of studies. Everyone can access new treatments fairly and keep private things like genetic info secure. Mixing science with good ethics is key to treating cancer, right? Wrapping it up. As we take on the challenge of curing cancer, working together, being innovative, and doing what's right are our guides. Trying out new treatments, focusing on prevention, and handling ethical challenges brings us closer to our goal of beating cancer. The future needs us to keep pushing for better research, caring for patients, and making ethical decisions in our fight against cancer.